My name is Ifeanyi Chukwumaike.
My name is Bernard Peacemaker.
My name is Abasupa.
Samuel Godway is my name.
My name is Shedrack.
My name is Wale Chukode.
My name is Godwin Irego.
I am using TVS High Touch.
They are servicing our keke for free, and they will change our oil and give us other gifts. Even this cap, the t-shirt I'm putting on is for free. I'm so happy to use TVS.
They service my keke, they change my oil, they do some other things, and it's free of charge. I want to say thank you to TVS.
Right this moment, we are at TVS service camp, which they are giving us free services, free items, and of different kinds.
TVS High Touch is a very wonderful tricycle that I'm using now, compared to the former one that I've been using. This TVS High Touch is very, very spacious and more comfortable.